In this video, you'll learn how to earn passive income using Binance Simple Earn. By the end of this guide, you will understand how to navigate the platform, select your assets, and manage your earnings effectively. Begin by navigating to the Binance website and signing in to your account. Once signed in, locate the Earn section, which is typically found in the main menu. After selecting Earn, you will see a variety of options available. Choose the Simple Earn option to access the relevant features for generating passive income. Upon entering the Simple Earn section, take a moment to review the available assets listed along with their respective annual percentage yield or APY rates. It is important to understand the difference between flexible and locked options, as this will affect how and when you can access your funds. Familiarizing yourself with these details will prepare you for the next steps in the process. Next, select the cryptocurrency asset you wish to earn with. Enter the amount you intend to subscribe for earning. It is crucial to carefully review the earning terms associated with the asset you've chosen. This includes understanding any potential risks and the duration of the earning period. Once you are satisfied with your selections, confirm the subscription securely to activate the earning process. After confirming your subscription, rewards will begin accumulating automatically based on the terms you accepted. To monitor your earnings, return to the Earn dashboard where you can track your progress. If you selected a flexible option, you can redeem your assets at any time. In contrast, if you opted for a locked option, you will need to wait until the maturity date to access your funds. Lastly, it is advisable to save your earning history for future reference. This allows you to analyze your performance and adjust your strategies needed to maximize your passive income. Keep an eye on your earnings will help you make informed decisions moving forward. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.